Wow, we have learned 7 types of fruits already. I'm so proud of you. Let's add one more fruit under your belt. Today, we're going to learn how to say cantaloupe or cantaloupes in Chinese. 哈密瓜. Now, please repeat after me. 哈密瓜. 哈密瓜。哈密瓜。Now, let's say it a little bit faster. 哈密瓜。哈密瓜。哈密瓜。In this exercise, we added some cantaloupe along with the other fruits. I'm starving. I want to eat an apple, a banana, some grapes, some watermelon, an orange, a peach, some strawberry, and some cantaloupe. Delicious. I'm stuffed. Now I'm going to read them in Chinese slowly. Please repeat after me. 饿死我了。我想吃一个苹果，一条香蕉，一些葡萄，一些西瓜，一个橙子，一个桃子，一些草莓和一些哈密瓜。好吃。撑死我了。Now a little bit faster. Please repeat after me. 饿死我了。我想吃一个苹果，一条香蕉，一些葡萄，一些西瓜，一个橙子，一个桃子，一些草莓和一些哈密瓜。好吃。撑死我了。Now, let's practice how to say and some cantaloupe a few times before we move on. Please repeat after me. 和一些哈密瓜。和一些哈密瓜。和一些哈密瓜。Now, let's say it a little bit faster. 和一些哈密瓜。和一些哈密瓜。和一些哈密瓜。Let me say them all together. Please listen carefully. 饿死我了。我想吃一个苹果，一条香蕉，一些葡萄，一些西瓜，一个橙子，一个桃子，一些草莓和一些哈密瓜。好吃。撑死我了。Guess what? Now it's your turn to practice. You've got this. Well done. 好样的。See you tomorrow. 明天见。I've spent lots of time, energy, and efforts into making this video for you to learn Chinese. Please give me a thumb up or share to show me your support. Thank you. If you need more of my videos, please search 11 Dreams Go-Getter Sabrina or search Learn Chinese with Sabrina. No boring grammar. Or visit my website at www.11dreamsgogetter.com. Have a wonderful day.